Hello everyone, it's Elle and join me at Walmart where I am going to be sharing some irresistible items that are going from the shelves right into my shopping cart. Some of these products are actually going viral, so I'm going to start off with some of the smaller items and then jump right into the big ticket winners at Walmart. So the shades of brown and beige are definitely on trend in the fashion world and in the home decor world, okay? And Walmart is keeping their shelves fully stocked, but something that really got my attention is this velvet brown, luxurious, and cozy throw pillow. Yes, lined and piped, all at the price of $17, a little under $17. Look at it in all of its luxuriousness. So I was actually pleasantly surprised that this is actually a mainstay product. They really stepped it up with this velvet and brown piping leather pillow that is going to make any part of your living space really look stylish. Okay, pairing it together with the beige or the brown is something that is really on trend, and it comes in a variety of colors. Okay, anywhere from $15 to $17 for the brown. So that's telling you that the brown is really going viral. So I think you should definitely invest in this one. I know that I am picking up 4 of these. These pillows are right on the Walmart shelves. I love when you walk into Walmart and what you need is right on the shelf. You don't have to go digging through the internet. It's right there for you guys. So get your shoes and your keys, okay? And get to Walmart, please. And the best thing about this trending brown color is that they have so many accessories at Walmart to match. You can really get your coordinating going on in here and become a true decorator at an inexpensive cost. These are all right on the shelves, so mix and match and you will be happy in your selections. Am I still in Walmart? Am I witnessing a Boucle Bed perched up on a pedestal in Walmart? Okay, this fashionable and beautiful Juliet ivory Better Homes and Garden bed is giving so much style. I am here for it. And with the Black Friday deal of $87, get online. Of course, this bed head is not readily available in all the stores, but you can get it easily online, okay? By highlighting this link right here, it's going to bring you right to the bed, and it has an option of 2 colors. It's available in gray and ivory, the full and queen. It is definitely something that you should consider. It's great for decorating a guest room or a little girl's room. Somebody is really going to enjoy this bed head. I think it's a must have if you want to stay in style. The Walmart Better Homes and Gardens Juliet Furniture Collection is definitely something to take a gander at when you go online. They have a lot of designer inspired furniture that's affordable and will definitely make a statement in your home. Some of these items are on the Walmart shelf, or again, go online, www.walmart.com, and find these great deals today. Such a perfect segue to get right into this Juliet bookshelf. Oh, wow. Now, this is a stunner indeed. It is deep and narrow, and it is perfect for an entryway or one of those spaces that you have in your home that you just don't know how to fill it. This bookshelf is going to do it. You can find this right on the shelves of Walmart or online in a variety of colors. Now, this is not your average mainstay bookshelf, so the price point is at $182, but it is well worth it because the quality and the materials used for this bookshelf is really up to par. You are not getting any clapboard or particle board bookshelf. So if you'd like to see this statuesque bookshelf in person before you commit to buying online, head over to Walmart where it's stocked on the shelves, and you can take a look at the quality, the feel, and of course, the style, the luxury of it. Okay, it's part of the new Juliet furniture collection that falls under the Better Homes and Garden, that falls under Walmart, but it's definitely going viral, so go get it. So I truly believe that I saved the best for last because this entire Walmart display had me a bit flabbergasted, from the chenille throws to all of the beautiful richness of this coffee table. And then to top it off, a somewhat designer boucle couch. Okay, I am definitely impressed. And the greatest thing about this entire display is that you can find every single piece online. And then if you walk right around the corner, you're going to find even more of the items on the shelves of Walmart. But let me talk about this boucle couch for just a second. That is by Barrymore, and it's at an inexpensive cost. So if you have a smaller space, this is a couch for you, or you can do two of these couches to definitely make a statement and still accommodate many guests. It's that inexpensive that you can do two, and it will definitely fill up a space, and you will be happy with your selection. So now that I've shown you what's on trend and what's going viral in Walmart, take a gander at the rest of this video that's going to show you so many spectacular items that are a must-have, that will complement any style of decor in your home, and it's not going to break the bank. I know many of us are looking to save our coins. The holidays are here and we want to spruce up our home, but that doesn't mean that we have to spend a lot of money to live like a king or a queen. And let's not forget our holiday decor. Walmart has a lot of decorations in store. Look at this flocked Christmas tree for $85. Okay, I'm going to Walmart again to stock up on my holiday decor, get some of these vases in the places, and I think I will be set for the rest of 2025 into 2026. It has been an absolute pleasure sharing all of this viral goodness and beautiful home decor with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the rest of the video for more decor. Please be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Wait a minute, is this a fur coat at Walmart? Oh, wow, I want one of these. I'm gonna have to put some of these vases back, but so pretty. This is by Jessica Simpson's for like $60 something. And look at this sweater. Yes, yes, in my cart. Okay, I got distracted. Back to the home decor, guys.